Okay, to get good gear, what we're going to need is a lot of mending books. To get mending, we're going to need sticks. We're going to need that to get emeralds to get the mending book. I'm thinking we probably want to get a diamond axe, get efficiency 5. Actually, I think all of the books are in the cave, which is a shame. So I'll go down there and get those. Oh, by the way, in case you're interested, this stops the spiders from being able to damage you. It's much better than the trapdoor system. The XP can still get through, the spiders can't. So that's a fence in the middle and then walls on either side. Works a charm. Right, so I've got a efficiency 5 and breaking 3 axe, so just use that to get a load of logs. So I can get a few mending books, and then we can come back here and get some really good stuff. Okay, I mined a lot of logs, and I've only got 61 emeralds, which is enough to get just a couple of mending books. But that'll do for the moment. No, I think I'll stick with this, and then I'll try and get as many mending books as I need. I don't know how many that is. Let me just think. Okay, I think it's about 10 mending books that I need to get. So I'll come back when I've got that. I really should have mined these trees properly. They're all floating. I'm kind of bored of mining these spruce trees, so I decided to start building an iron farm instead. So all I need to do is put the villages in. That's going to be the difficult part. I've got all the materials other than that, apart from some concrete. Alright, let's name our zombie Zechariah, because Percy the Piglet. Yeah, gotta keep the alliteration tradition going. Just gotta use the kelp. Now I've got to try and lure him into this hole without... Oh, I fell in myself. Don't come down. Oh dear. Oh dear. Ah. That's what happens when you hit record. Right, now what do I... Okay, come in then. Come on in. Right, if we just circle this, he should follow us over it. Hopefully... Yes, there we go. He's in. Whew, that was... We did it. Villager number 1. And he's in a boat, that's good. I'm just hoping that the iron farm isn't too near the village, but I actually built the iron farm on my creative world, near my creative version of that villager thing, and it worked fine, so... It might make the rate slightly slower, but I don't really care, because I'm just going to AFK it for a long time. I'm not after the world's most efficient iron farm ever anyway. Now the clever thing is, we've got a composter here, which means the villager will go straight into the bubble stream to try and get a new job. Whee! Up he goes, right. Let's go up and whee! I love bubble columns so much. Right, let's go up and see if he'll walk into this thing. Are you done, mate? I think he's just enjoying himself, to be honest. It looks like he's just having the time of his life. Look, he didn't even end up becoming a farmer. He's just so disappointed. He went straight for that composter. It's like, oh, I'm going to become a farmer. So exciting, and then whoosh! Up he goes. I feel sorry for him now. Just a minute, I've got a lectern on me. Let's see if that makes him move. Trapdoor, that's what made him come out. Good. Now I'm just going to wait for him to fall through in that hole. There he is, in the hole. Good. Look, if you leave hitboxes on, all the villagers looking out of their workstation areas, it looks like lasers. It looks like something out of Star Wars. With evil laser cows. Oh, he became a farmer, but he's not gone in. I think he might need a bit of a friendly... Oh, no, zoop, off he goes. Place the trapdoor, and it should end up in here. He's in place. And the third villager is now in place. Okay, that means we can start building the structure of the farm. Oh, I just need one more concrete block. Would you believe it? Well, that's that built. Yeah, we've already got about 14 iron in there, and They've got an island swarm with golems. Now, I did that was deliberate. I decided not to block the farm up. I mean, I should have blocked up halfway along the tube, I've just realised. But I decided not to block the farm up so that I'd have a ton of golems already spawned so that I could get all the iron from them to be, you know, extra efficient. But yeah, it works. It's spawning golems. And I think that doesn't look too bad, does it? Yeah, just do it the old-fashioned way. That seems to work. And in that time, from the farm and from the golems that spawned everywhere, we have nearly 2 stacks of ingots. And this should be near enough my house that it will be more or less loaded whenever I'm online. The reason I'm down here is I just want to make my leggings repaired. There's no... I've only got 1 level. Alright. Okay, my leggings are repaired up to like half durability. That should be fine. Yeah, I'm not going to bother spending any more time down here. I've got a couple more heads. That's interesting. I have bigger plans today. There we go. We've reached build height limit. But I think the problem is I've just realised I actually need even more scaffolding for the nether half. Oh, in case you, I don't think I've explained what I'm doing yet. I think I'm building a gold farm. This is what my house looks like from this high up. Oh, zooming in is making me feel a bit uncomfortable. Also, what have the vines done on my house? Somehow the vines have done funny things. There we go. Right, time to go on to the top of the nether. We've got 2 stacks of scaffolding, should be enough. We've got flint and steel, obsidian, and blocks. So, right, let's do this. Yes, there we go. We're so high up, there's nothing but fog. If you have fog turned on, and it's kind of scary. It's like there's just an infinite void. Right, moment of truth. Does this take us to our nether portal? Or does it just take us to the lower one? Yep, alright, perfect. And does this take us back? Oh, I thought that was snow, it's just clouds. Does this take us back? Yes, it does. Right, now let's see if the other nether portals still work. And sploosh. Does this one work? And yes, it does. Right, just want to mine up some of this blackstone so that we can have a gold farm area that looks kind of nice. There we go, 3 stacks of blackstone. Now all we need is 17.5 stacks of magma. Right, the gas just broke my portal. Another one gas spawned and broke my portal while I was googling something, and somehow I do have a flint and steel on me. I didn't see it. I thought I didn't have a flint and steel. It's alright then. They should remove ghasts. They should absolutely remove ghasts. Them things are just so irritating. Oh my goodness. Right, let's get back to the overworld and do some googling in the overworld. Right, I've mined out easily enough magma. That's 18 stacks. In fact, we only needed 17 stacks. But the magma insta-mines. So I've accidentally made a maze cave. Like I actually don't know the way out. I don't know how to get back to the surface from here. I mean, I could just dig up, I suppose, but oh, this is absolutely great. I cannot believe that I've got lost. I mean, this is kind of OP how magma generates. You can just get silly amounts of it with no effort at all. There's just more over there. Although I think that's underneath the lava lake. Oh, I just dug up and I came out straight where my portal is. That's nice. Okay, now we've just got the fun task of perfectly aligning some hopper minecarts. The reason I'm doing this is because... wrong place. I've tested this design on creative, and what seems to happen is that it's too good. So, you can't collect all of the items unless you have hopper minecarts. 2 hoppers is just not enough. Yes. Then we put a redstone block there. Which should power the... Oh! Just got to break the rails. There we go. Right, then we have to break the piston. If we break the redstone block, it sucks it back. So there we go. Perfect. Now the problem is we've just got to align the other minecart. That's the hard bit, because well, we've got to push it that way. That's easy. We've got to push it this way though. Right. Sock machine's online. I'm going to see if I can buy some name tags. Oh, okay. I think I might have some emeralds. Right, going by the hitboxes, I'd say the minecarts are perfectly aligned. Aha, name tag. Okay, I've just made an item source, just time to check that it works. Put some cobble slabs, blackstone bricks, blackstone brick slabs. That's actually a tongue twister. Blackstone brick slabs. I can't even do it. Wow. Right. That's come through to there. That's come through to there. So it seems like the item sort of works in theory. All the swords come through here, get smelted. I'm just going to fill this with coal. And yeah, then it looks like we're more or less ready to build the spawner platform. Just get rid of this unsightly cobble. Right, I've got a pigman trapped in a boat. I'm just hoping he doesn't despawn because I accidentally pressed Q, and so I've got to go down here and collect my pickaxe. Oh, there it is. Thank goodness. Right, he hasn't despawned, that's good news. Right, let's just hit the boat. Can we hit the boat? Yep, there we go. Just break the blocks around him. Ah. The slab behind him, let's see, can we get that? Okay, stuck on this block now. Let's call you Dinnerbone. You'll be upside down for the rest of your life, and oh, that's that bit done. That was the most stressful bit. Now it's just a case of placing blocks. I just landed here. I was this close to this block. I thought I was gonna die. Oh my goodness. I'm reduced to using trapdoors and slabs and stairs to smelt the stone. I don't know why. You know what? I've got no coal left. If I had coal left, I'd bother, but I don't even think you can see it. That said, if you can see it, I'll be really OCD and I'll be like, oh no, there's cobble at the back of my gold farm, I can't cope with it. So, I think I'm going to have to just hope that this is enough stuff to smelt it all down. Right. I've just realised something. The pigmen will drop heads because of the plugins on the data packs even on this server, which means that the item sorter needs updating. Although on AFK mode, where they just die of entity cramming, that won't be a problem. I'd hope not. Oh, then again, they're still considered player kills because you still get XP. So I'm wondering if maybe I will actually have to add a new hopper, no matter what. And it won't take long, but it's just a pain. Well, that's the last of the magma. Now I've just got to walk through this massive army of pigmen and get to the other side, and then we can finally see this thing functioning. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh, we need to deactivate the portal. I just realised. Yeah. If we left the portal activated, one could spawn and then just instantly kill us. That's the problem. Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh, there's a lot. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. Oh, they're loud. They're loud. They're loud. Right, and then I'll come back when we've got some drops. Guess what? I don't have a flint and steel. So I'm going to have to put all of my stuff in a chest, and then jump off this thing, and Alright, let's hope this works. And... yep. There we go. Perfect. Right, that's gonna have to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. I can't believe I've made 2 farms in one episode, an iron farm and a gold farm, so that was fun. We've got all the metal we want now. Well, I mean, goodbye.